Hi guys, so let's see LWC VS Code quick tips. And so first of all, when you are in your JavaScript file, if you type down LWC, see you get all the events and all the things related to LWC. So that's a quick tip. If you press tab, see an event is created. And if you cannot see the suggestion, for somehow these suggestions are gone, so just press after the LWC, just press control space, you will see all the suggestions. See, I can create all these with the help of just few characters. Similarly, for imports, you have a suggestion. When you type down imp, you will have all these suggestions. You want to import a class, or control space, you want to import a message channel, and see it created this whole just with a short key, all the lines. Also, if you go to XML file, let's see here. In here, you type down true and then you type down targets one by one, right? Targets and then target. So the better one would be, we have an extension called short key, and you will find out Salesforce LWC short keys. So when you install it, I have already installed it. Okay, just click on install and it will install. So then you will get a lot of shortcuts in your XML file as well as in your HTML and JavaScript file. So in XML file, see, I typed down LWC. For this extension to work, you have to type down LWC, and I can say targets. It created all the targets for us. I can comment this out if I want to uncomment them. And similarly, I can say LWC message channel. See how cool is this? It created a whole. So, and quick action, here it is, screen type lightning record action. And design attributes, it created that for us. So the extension is really helpful. Salesforce LWC shortkeys. This extension also works great in HTML2. So in our HTML, we have seen like we type something a lot. So just type LWC and then with colon, you will see a lot of things. Okay, you want to create a card. See, it created a card. It also created a button. It's created footer and a lot of stuff. So this extension is really handy. If you want to create an avatar, it created multiple with for you. You can change them. And if you cannot see any suggestions, kindly press control plus space, mean control and space at the same time. And you can create a lot of things. You can see a lot of options. LWC for each, it created the whole template for each for you. So this extension works awesome and it will be really helpful in your journey. Now come back to again here, we have different short keys, like you want to loop through something, so you have for each, right? So you just type ARR and you will get all the array methods, you can say. If you want to map, it created for you, control space, every created, and similar to this one for each, right? So these are the shortcuts. Similar to this one, we have obj. So object is empty, you want to check, and see, it suggests you that these square brackets and curly brackets will always return true. This is something else, but how cool is this? These short keys, right? So these are the main short keys. Now let's talk about how to speed up the development. So for example, you are creating a list. Here will be li and you need multiple li's, right? One, and then you will type another one, and then you will type. So speed this up with multiplication sign. So you type li and you say multiply by 10 and just press tab. So that is with the help of emit. Okay, see, it created 10 li for me. And also, if sometimes it happens that you are creating a button, right? So LWC button, it created a button for us, and you want to copy it below. So what you do, you go back here and copy this whole, go at the end, press enter, and then paste it here. So instead of doing all that, you just have to be anywhere on this line, anywhere, and you don't have to select anything. No, anywhere on this line, just press Ctrl C. It will copy the whole line, and just press Ctrl V. It will copy below. See how cool is this? And Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. It will copy it multiple times. So to speed up your development. Same goes for if you wanna, for example, inside this div, you wanna make this button to cut it and paste it inside. So normally what people do, they select all of this and they control X and then they go here and then they paste it here. This is normal, okay? But to do it like a pro, same, you don't have to select anything on this line, just press Ctrl X and Ctrl V here. How cool is this? Another way of doing that is, let me show you. If you want to move things around, right? You want to move it. So what people do is they cut it and they paste it above and like that. No, just on this line, press Alt, and use your up and down key. Up key, it will move it up. Down key, it will move it down. How cool is this, right? Also, sometime it happens that there are multiple buttons, right? Control C, Control V, Control V. And you want to give all of them classes like BTN, for example. So you will go there and you will say BTN one by one. No, this is not the correct way. There are multiple options. One option is to press Alt, and then use your mouse to click here, keep on pressing Alt, click. Now press space and you can type at the same time on all of them. This is another option to do things, right? Other option is you create button like normal button. So you can say button dot btn. See, it created a button with class button, and you want to multiply it with 10, so it will create 10 buttons with the same class. See how cool is this? So with the help of dot, we can specify classes directly. Like I want to specify multiple classes, button and another one like button 2. See, button and button 2, both classes applied. And you want to create multiple buttons, so you just multiply it with 5. So it will create 5 buttons with both classes in all of them. And you can remove it with Ctrl X. Sometimes it happens that you want to get you search for everything. Like for example, there are like divs and in between a lot of divs and a lot of stuff. Okay, so you want to find out all the button and change it. So you don't have to go it like one by one button and change it to like button new. No, the best one would be double click on it. Now press Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. All of them are selected, and now you can change all of them once. So these are the main quick tips which I use daily, and I hope that it will be helpful in your journey too. Thank you so much.